and welcome back to Mal Acres. So, we are getting a floor. So what is happening now is we thought we had an extra, say, 2 to 3 weeks to get some stuff done. However, our kitchen is 2 to 3 weeks ahead of schedule, which I really didn't think was going to happen, which is, it's awesome. It's absolutely awesome. That means that we're going to be able to move around and do stuff in here a little bit sooner, like cooking and everything. So we are working on our floor. This is just some of the rot that we had that had to be taken out. Another big thing that has happened, this is going to be quite odd, but we have water. Everything's working. So yes, it is dirty right now, but we pulled so much mud through the pump and the filters that everything needs to be changed just because the line was completely filled with mud. So, oh boy, we are dealing with not snow, but a ton of rain now. So everything is super wet, but it's exciting. So Trevor got a new toy. This is going to be very, very helpful for us for cleaning up all the brush, digging out around the foundation. He's already dug out our driveway and the water line. So now we officially have water in the house, which is amazing. Are officially spring. So we're able to like actually walk around now and see kind of what we have. We keep finding random stuff in the yard, but let me know if anybody knows. But all of this, like all this red, like I'm pretty sure these are all raspberries, I think. Like, if anybody knows, let me know. I feel like they are. I hope that they are, because that'd be amazing. Because it's a really big patch in front of this old barn. Like it starts there, and they kind of just are all over in front of here. I hope the raspberries, I hope we can get them before the bears do, if they are. And maybe we can make some jam. Ew, what's that? A backpack. There's garbage everywhere. We go for a walk, we have to take a garbage bag with us. It's unfortunate. Hey everybody, this week we just did a quick check-in. We are having one heck of a time with internet and having any service or anything to upload any of these videos. So I didn't want you guys to think that we are not here and we're not working, because we are. I did leave for a week, so Trevor was by himself. I do have some footage that I'm going to hopefully be able to upload in the next couple days of him jacking up the floor in our house. But this week is just a short and sweet little video. I had to drive all the way in town to upload it, so about 20 minutes away just to get enough signal to upload it. So hopefully you guys all enjoy it, and I do really appreciate everyone who does subscribe and hits that like button below. We always appreciate it. Thanks, guys.